So, bit of a quick EDC update today, because after my last pocket dump EDC video, whatchamacallit, I went out and I did two things. First thing is I just fixed this guy up a bit. But that's not very exciting, eh? I mean, certainly not video worthy to go, oh yeah, I spent 5 minutes refilling a lighter. But no, the other main thing is I bought a new flashlight. And before I show that off, I just want to talk about the flashlights that I've had throughout the years for EDC. Now, the first one I got was this guy here, which is a Pelican 1810. It's just a little tiny keychain flashlight. As you can see from how worn it is, was on my keychains. And it's a little twist flashlight. 16 lumens, 8 3/4 hour battery life, 23 meter beam distance. IPX4, I think. Whatever that means. I'm not too clear on what all these numbers actually mean, truthfully. And this was great right until the batteries ran out. Now, my problem with these kind of small things is they take wee tiny watch batteries. And wee tiny watch batteries are a pain to replace, in my experience. I think these are LR41s, or possibly it takes L736Fs, or yeah, I don't know. The other problem is you have to go all over creation trying to find a store that stocks that particular kind, because there's just a bajillion different ones. So yeah, the batteries ran out on this one, and I just stopped using it, basically. And then I just didn't carry around a flashlight for a few years, because I figured, hey, I have my phone. I usually have a phone on me, so I'll just use the flashlight on that. Until I found this guy here. And this is the guy I had in my other video. And it's a nice, simple, click flashlight, AAA. Cost me no more than $5. Problem with this one is, nice cheap flashlight stopped working really well. So it still went into my carry every day, even though I stopped using it. Because there was a spot that I always put a flashlight like this since I bought this, so I just continued doing it. And really the problem was, let's see, get a bit of light in there. So you can see the contact way down in there. How it's a bit worn there. Well, that's exactly what happened. So no amount of new battery would help, as there wasn't enough contact for it to, actually push electricity through. So it was one of those things where, for a while there was a matter of get the flashlight, click, oh, it's not working, hit it against something, has it worked? Yes, no. And again, I just stopped going for this and just started going for my phone more and more. But after my last little pocket dump video, I thought, you know what, enough's enough. I'll just spend the money, get something a bit better. You know, in general. So what I ended up going for is the Olight i3T EOS 5, possibly? I don't know. Nice, simple light. I have 180 lumens for 21 minutes, or a low of 5-minute lumens for 16 hours. Got an IPX rating of 8. Again, I'm not entirely sure what that all means, nor am I really going to bother looking it up, as, you know, I'm not planning on going swimming with these things anyways. Another thing that really lured me in was, well, I can't say it lured me in because I didn't know about this until I got the box and saw it. It's got a 5-year warranty on it, which just kind of blew me away. I haven't looked at the details of that, or how good that warranty is, or how good they are about, you know, following what they say or anything like that. Hopefully it will just never come up. Now, this box is completely empty, of course, as I've been carrying this around in my pocket for quite a while now. As you can see, it's already gotten some pocket wear on it. Now, I did do quite a lot of looking around at flashlights, and in my personal opinion, some of them are just absolutely outrageous. You know, I don't need 300 lumens. Really. I don't need all these 16 different modes on a flashlight like this. Just wanted something nice, simple, easy to use. And in that way, I looked at some rechargeable flashlights as well. Decided to go for something very simple, you know, AAA flashlight. It's got in here. The thing about rechargeable flashlights is, well, you've either got to put them on to charge, and I don't know how often I'd have to do that, and it would be just my luck that it die when I'm out and about, or out in the bush somewhere, or out traveling, and then I'm sunk. Whereas I can always just throw in another AAA somewhere, pick up AAAs anywhere. The other features I was looking for is I wanted a push button. Now, twist flashlights are fine, I suppose, but I've never really liked them. I've always liked how simple, you know, a push button is, on, off, no faffing about. And I've never had a flashlight go on in my pocket, even with a push button. And this is a very stiff button as well. The other thing I really like is the clip here. It has that back bit you can put on a hat. Have an instant hat light, I guess, which I've used several times when I need to. Yeah, I'll quickly go over the feature of this, even though there's a bajillion videos that will go over that. Got a momentary on, a full on, as well as a 180 lumen, which you can cycle through just like that. One thing I like about it as well is you're going to your 5 lumen. It doesn't just cycle back and forth and back and forth and back and forth. Because there's your 5 lumen again. You have to do it immediately after. So I'm just going to go ahead and turn off a few lights here. All right, there we go. Spooky. Yeah, there's your 5 lumen. And that's honestly more than enough for what you need for most things. In fact, I often find that the 180 lumen is too bright if I accidentally flick it on. But it is still nice to have. With the 180 lumen, I can see everything basically. But I only need the 5 lumen. And the 5 lumen gives me a ridiculous battery life as well. Yeah. There's an EDC update. And I look forward to having this for, based on what they think with their warranty, years to come. So, cheerio.